let's talk about sports injuries. With growing awareness and a lot of people getting into health and fitness, there's a lot of sports injuries that are occurring. So what are these injuries? The most common sports injuries are sprain, that is tear in the ligaments. Strain is the tear in the muscle fibers. Okay. Then you have a lot of this shin splints in runners. Then you have this ACL tears in the knee, meniscal tears. Then people coming with back pains, having facet fractures, then shoulder joint dislocations, rotator cuff arthropathies, rotator cuff tear, labral tears, tennis elbow, and all these are some of the common sports injuries that happen. The most common among all of this is the ankle sprain, the sprain of the ligaments in the ankle joint. How do we prevent these sports injuries? So the prevention is by doing proper stretching before any sport that you venture into. So if you are venturing into football, let's say 11 plus is the stretching exercises that you can follow and try and do that. Any running, make sure you stretch your ligaments and muscles properly before you start your run. Okay, these are some of the preventions. And if at all you happen to have sports injuries, make sure the first and foremost thing is to rest that part, put some ice compression, elevate that part and immobilize the affected limb. So if you happen to have any sports related injuries, please meet your orthopedic surgeon and get a proper treatment, because if you are a professional athlete or a professional who plays sports, that can lead to a loss of time at play or tournaments, because this is your career and you have to take utmost precautions for this.